There's a lot of information in this question, but the main idea is that we've got two events and we're going to be either picking a blue or red marble out. And there are B blue marbles and R red marbles. So this kind of stands for blue and red, whereas the probability is then the number of blue here. So it's going to be B over 21, for example. Now, we're ensuring the probability of the game being 1 is exactly 1/2, and we win when at least one red marble is drawn. So what I'm going to do is work out the probability of no red marbles being drawn, first of all, and then do 1 minus that, because it's just going to be so much easier than adding up three probabilities down here, especially algebraically. So I can just focus on, if I pick another blue one, it's going to be, if I pick a blue one to start with, I'm left with B minus 1 blue and 20. And actually, that's all I'm really interested in now. I've got B over 21 times B minus 1 over 20 here. And this, I could do R over 21 down here, or I could do 21 minus B over 21. But the point stands, actually, it's really this that I'm focused on, because it must be, and another way of thinking about it, I suppose, is if the probability of winning is a half, the probability of losing is a half, and that would be the probability of picking a blue. So I can go straight for just writing these times together is actually going to give me a half. Okay, so now I'm going to multiply this out. I'm going to sort of bring it up here for a bit more room. I'm going to have B times B minus 1 is equal to times through by 20 to give 10, and 10 times 21 is going to give me 210. So B squared minus B, we're getting a quadratic here, minus 210 is equal to 0. Right, now I'm going to think about, I need to find two numbers that only differ by 1 but multiply to 210. I decided when I did this to do a little quick factorization. So I've got 21 and 10. So I've got 2 and 5 and 3 and 7. That made life a little bit easier to spot because I can see I've got 14 as a factor and 15. Okay, so B minus 15, B plus 14 is going to equal 0. So B is going to equal 15. Reject the minus 14, and R is going to equal 6 because remember, we've got 21 in total. So we're nearly there. We just need to work out what 15 squared plus 6 squared is. So 225 plus 36, and that's going to give 261. Well done.